Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1916 Model T touring car vehicle. Brass car here, built in January 1916 build, so early 16. It is in matching numbers, authentically restored to its original factory specs. Just a beautiful car here. Went through some recent mechanical work to make sure it's been freshened up. It's been very well done. But before we get into this 1916 Model T, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are luxury, as you see this 2017 Mulsanne, Bentley Mulsanne. So we do, and we also have some exotics and European vehicles as well. But as I mentioned, 80% are domestic classic cars. If you are interested in any of the vehicles that you see on the video today, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you're not in the state of Florida, don't worry. Last year in 24, we did ship to 19 different U.S. states and 6 different countries, so we can certainly get you the car of your dreams wherever you happen to be located. Just give us a call. We do offer shipping services. The third-party shipper we use has been shipping cars for over 13, 14 years. Everybody that they use are fully insured and bonded and can get you your car door to door, safe and sound. If you're interested in financing, we do also offer financing. Visit the website on the finance tab, Classic Cars of Sarasota, and you can fill out the application. If you need financing or are looking for financing, we can get the financing through our classic car lenders. Just wanted to show you that this beautiful, if you are looking for a piece, a timepiece, something go in your collection, iconic car of the U.S., certainly the Ford Model T, and this particular one being a true brass car, built in early 1916, as I mentioned, January of 1916 to be particular on this particular car. Just an absolute beautiful vehicle. Been, as I mentioned, fully restored to its original factory standards. Pictures will be on our website very soon. We've had some overcast and rain days last few days here in Sarasota, so we have not got this outside to picture it yet, but it will be pictured and put on our website. You'll see over 50 to 75 pictures of the vehicle. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. 4-cylinder in its period correct glory. Let's see if we can do this with one hand here. So take a look. The engine compartment. Just a true masterpiece here. Be a joy of any collection, or if you're looking to go in parades, or just as you see the golf cart next to it, maybe you want to use it for a golf cart in your community. It certainly could do that as well. Absolutely stunning vehicle. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355 1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.